Hi everyone, Despair Repair here. In this video we'll show you how to reset the check engine light with a modern OBD scanner. If you have this scanner, it is the most effective and perhaps easiest way to remove the check engine light from the dashboard. So stay tuned.
DespairRepair.com.
Be sure to visit us at our website despairrepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. In this video we'll be using the OBD scanner provided by Xtool. It is the model D5S. It is a well-made, practical, easy-to-use OBD tool that, besides the standard options of code reading and resets, also has various special functions like maintenance lights resets, headlight adjustments, electronic parking brake reset, and much more. Among these functions is a throttle body reset or relearn option. We've made a video specifically on this topic, so if you would like to see how this is done, how the throttle body is reset, click on the card in the corner or on the link in the description. If you would like to buy a D5S, you have a link in the video description, as well as links for the Xtool official websites where you can see their whole product range. As you'll see, these are very good products both for amateurs and professionals. Now to reset the check engine light. First, connect the OBD tool and turn on the ignition. Do not turn on the engine, turn on just the ignition. Enter the menu on the OBD tool and click the diagnosis button. Then choose the region where you're in, and after that choose the car manufacturer. Click the automatic detection button and wait until the OBD scanner recognizes your car model. Then choose Automatic Scan and let the tool do the scanning. It will show each system it scans one by one. If there is an error code, the tab will be red. In this case, there is an oxygen sensor fault with a code 117600 and the code is passive and sporadic. Now for the main part. Simply press the Clear All DTC Codes button and the code will be gone. In this case, the check engine light is immediately gone off the dashboard without starting the car. And that's it. That's all you have to do. After this, exit all of the menus, disconnect the OBD scanner, and then start the engine. If everything is okay, the check engine light will be gone. If you drive the car for some time and there's no check engine light appearing again, then you may have well solved the problem. But if the check engine light returns immediately after you've started the car or after some shorter driving, you have to check out what's wrong. In the end, and we always emphasize this, do not ignore the error code. Yes, oftentimes there may be a glitch in the system that causes the check engine light, and all of what we've shown you helps, but most times the error code is not there for nothing. So the proper thing to do is to read the DTC code, check out what it means, and give that system a check. If it's a glitch, then all is good, and you don't have to do anything else. But if it's a bigger problem, you'll have a good warning and perhaps avoid bigger trouble. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.